Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. In this video, we're going to look at some best practices for paper call IVRs. Real human voices always perform better than text to speech. Using a professional voiceover artist to record your prompts is a key ingredient for a high-performing IVR. You can use resources like Fiverr, VoiceBunny, or Upwork to find and hire voiceover artists. And since your IVR scripts will be shorter, a great IVR recording is relatively affordable. Plus, the benefits of having a professionally recorded voiceover artist will far outweigh the costs. Here's a pro tip. Have your voiceover artist record a few variations of your script so you can split test different recordings once you have your campaign up and running. When uploading your IVR media, you want to make sure that you're using the correct MP3 or WAV format to ensure crystal clear quality and compatibility with phone systems. With MP3s, this is what you should be looking at. And with WAV files, this is what you should be looking at. Ringba makes it easy to manage your IVR media and always reminds you about the correct tech specs when adding a new recording to your IVR tree. As a general rule of thumb, the faster you can connect the caller to an agent, the better. Shorter IVRs almost always convert better than longer IVRs. So try to limit your IVR length to less than 30 seconds for the best results. Using menu options to pre-qualify your leads helps you make better routing decisions for more profitable results. For example, let's say you're running a debt relief pay-per-call campaign. Most buyers are willing to pay a premium for calls from consumers with more than $10,000 in debt. And then with Ringba, you can add an IVR menu that allows callers to select the option that applies to them and then pre-qualify themselves for routing to a buyer. That IVR is going to sound something along the lines of this. If you have more than $10,000 in credit card debt, please press 1. If you have less than $10,000 in credit card debt, please press 2. In this scenario, you can automatically eliminate buyers that are unable to accept the call and route the caller to a buyer that will. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.